Hello, fourth grade. Miss Marina here. This is the video where I explain the exercises of this week. This is week 3, okay? Starting on March 30 and goes to April 3rd, okay? So let's start with the explanation of the exercises. I'm going to start with page 65 and 66. Page 65 and 66, we are going to apply the knowledge that we studied last week, right? Remember, past simple, present simple, past continuous. So here we have a list with 12 different verbs, and you have to put them in the simple past form. Remember, simple past simple form of the verbs on the simple past form. Find the secret expression and complete the sentence. So first, remember, we have two kinds of verbs. We have the regular verbs, remember, and we have the irregular verbs. So the regular verbs are those that we just add ed in the end of it, remember? So for example, let me put here an example. For example here, walk. Walk is a regular verb, so the simple past of walk is walked, right? Remember, regular verbs. Now the irregular verbs, just like see, I cannot use the same rule. The simple past of see, you can see, is saw. But teacher, how do I know when it's a verb in the irregular, it's a irregular verb? You can just use a list. You can go to Google and search a irregular verb list. So irregular verbs list. Here it is, okay? And you can use Control F, for example, to find here the verb see, and here it is, the simple past form, the second column, okay? So you can do this. Oh, and what if I didn't find the verb in the regular verb list? Probably it's a regular verb and you're going to use the ed, okay? So please pay attention to this. Don't put ed in all verbs, because here we have regulars and irregular verbs, okay? Now on exercise 2, you are going to complete, in the end of this exercise we are going to have an expression made here, and you're going to write right here, Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama were, okay, and you're going to complete here. Complete a sailor's journal's entries with verbs from the crossword puzzle. So here we have 6 parts of a journal, like a diary, okay? And we are going to complete with one of these verbs in the simple past. Don't forget, it's in the simple past. So for example, we are down in the morning. So we have a picture of some people saying goodbye to a boat, okay? So let's pay attention. Which verb do we use here? Yes, verb leave. Leave means go away. Partir, leave, okay? So you're going to put it in the simple past. What's the simple past of leave? It's an irregular verb, so you can take a look in an irregular verbs list. So leave, simple past, left, okay? So you are going to put it here. We left our town in the morning, right? Same thing to the other ones. You're going to take a look at the picture. You are going to see which verb fits better here, and then use it in the simple past, right? Let's go to page 66. Okay, on page 66, we start with exercise 3, where we are going to use our past continuous knowledge, okay? Why, teacher? Take a look at this picture. Remember that I said that the past continuous can be used to talk about some actions that were happening at the same time. That's what's happening here. So we have 3 different apartments, 3 different pictures with 3 different people and 3 different apartments. Last Saturday at 11 a.m., last Saturday, in apartment 1, Martin and Selena were playing a video game. Now I want to know what was happening on apartment 2 and apartment 3. Okay, so in apartment 2, Alan, you can say that he was studying, you can say that he was doing his homework, that he was writing. Okay, it just has to fit with the picture, right? So same thing with apartment 3. Rose and her grandpa were okay. Now exercise 4. We have here look, read and circle the correct alternatives. This is the past continuous to describe things that got interrupted. Remember this one here, interrupted actions in the past. So here we have Lila, and she was in a boat, right? And then she see a whale. So let's see how's the sentence. So remember, the first thing that happened, I have to use the past continuous structure. Remember, the subject, the was or were, the verb to be in the singular or plural way, and then the verb with the ing. So the first action that happened, what happened first? First, she was sailing. Then she saw a whale. So Lila saw a whale when she was sailing on the Pacific Ocean. So the first thing she did is sailing in the Pacific Ocean, and then she saw the whale. So the first action with ing, the second action with verb to be in the simple past. Okay, good. So for the same thing on the second exercise, right? So we have the girl sleeping, and then she wakes up to answer her phone, right? So we already know which action comes first and which actions comes after it. And then you're going to do number 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let me see, that's it for this video. I'm going to put the part 2 later with the exercises from page 34 and 35. I hope you have a nice week. See you later.